Imagine instantly taking a long tutorial or a 45-minute live stream and turning it into a stack of ready-to-post shorts that actually perform. Hey, I'm Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to use AI to manage your entire content calendar without making it feel like a forced ad. Creating short-form content usually eats up hours of your week, but this workflow changes the game by doing all the heavy lifting for you. First, simply drop your long webinar, podcast, or raw gameplay footage directly into the platform to get started. Next, let the AI automatically analyze your audio, visuals, and engagement markers to identify those viral-ready moments. Instead of digging through hours of footage yourself, the system surfaces dozens of golden highlights in just a few minutes. You aren't losing control because the interface lets you easily review clips and adjust aspect ratios for platforms like TikTok or Instagram. You can effortlessly trim clips, add captions, or zoom into expressions to make sure every second packs a punch. Applying consistent brand styles, like intros or watermarks, takes only seconds across all your clips. The built-in content calendar lets you schedule your posts automatically based on when your audience is most engaged. Managing your workflow is simple because you can just drag and drop clips to reschedule them if your plans change. Take my friend who saved 4 hours a week by using this workflow to batch his productivity content. He went from struggling to edit everything manually to effortlessly posting consistent content that grows his audience. You can even turn long product demos into various short explainers without making them feel like stiff advertisements. This lets you experiment with different clip lengths and testimonial overlays to keep your content feeling authentic. If you have a long panel discussion, you can break it down into a sequence of clips that tell a cohesive story. Doing this manually is slow and inconsistent, which takes you away from the creative work that actually matters. While other editors or scheduling tools focus on just one piece of the puzzle, this brings everything into one efficient workflow. To get the best results, make sure your source audio is clear so the AI can generate accurate captions. If you're editing a podcast, remember to tag your speakers so the AI knows exactly who is talking. If you recorded with multiple camera angles, uploading all of them helps the AI create dynamic cuts for you. Use auto-edit presets for your daily volume posts, but save the manual polish for your high-stakes launch campaigns. Advanced creators love split testing their clips by using different openers to see which one performs better. You can even stitch several highlights together into a single narrative story to create a stronger connection with viewers. You can jump right in on the free tier, and as you grow, it's easy to scale up without hidden costs. Don't forget to tap into the creator community where you can swap templates and learn new tricks for hook timing. I once took a 90-minute cooking stream and turned it into 3 high-performing vertical clips just by hitting auto edit. Turning a boring lecture into bite-sized micro lessons for students was another great win I had with this platform. Whether you are a podcaster, an educator, or a brand, this tool is designed to save you massive amounts of time. The goal isn't just to produce more content, but to produce content that still feels human. Start with just one long video today, let the AI generate your clips, and see how much faster your workflow becomes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, subscribe for more tips on mastering your social media strategy.